हेलो दोस्तों, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग की क्रोनोलॉजी के बारे में बताएंगे। 1812 में 7 बॉर्न एट कैम्बरवेल। 1819 लर्न्स ग्रीक एट यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज गोवर स्ट्रीट। 1832 Pauline, a fragment of a confession written. 1833 Pauline published. 1833 to 34 visits Russia. 1834 return to London and begins to contribute to the monthly repository. 1834 Paracelsus published. 1837 Stratford, his tragic play produced. 1838 visits Venice, writes how they brought the good news from Ghent to Aix and home thought from the sea. 1840 Sordello published. 1841 Pipe Passes published. 1842 King Victor and King Charles published. Dramatic lyrics appeared. 1843 The Return of the Druses and a Blot in Scottchen published. 1844 Columbus' birthday appeared in Autumn Visits Italy again. 1845 Dramatic Romances and Lyrics published. Met Elizabeth Moulton, his future wife. 1846 married Elizabeth Moulton at Marylebone Parish Church on September 16. Returned to England. Bells and Pomegranates published. 1849 The only child Robert Barrett Browning, born at Casa Guidi. 1850 Christmas Eve and Easter Day published. 1855 Man and Women published. 1861 Mrs. Browning death. Browning began to live in London. 1864 Dramatis Personae published. 1867 The University of Oxford confers on him the degree of MA. Is elected to a fellowship at Balliol College. Nominated to the Lord Rectorship of University of St Andrews. 1868 to 69 The Ring and the Book published. 1871 Wollaston's Adventure and Prince Hohensiel Suchbongu published. 1872 Pippin at the Fair published. 1873 Red Cotton Nightcap Country published. 1876 Pacchiarotto and other poems published. 1878 La Sciences published. 1879 to 80 two series of dramatic idylls appeared. 1883 Jacoseria published. 1887 Parleying with certain people of importance in their day published. 1876 to 89 5 volumes of short poem published. 1889 Esolando published. 1889 died December 12. Thanks.